Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can disable the Windows automatic updates. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type services. Click on services under the best match. Now scroll down to the W section and look for the Windows Update service. Once you find that, make a right click, select Properties, Startup Type, change that to Disabled. Then you have to click on Apply, and you have to click on OK, and then close this. Next method is go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Registry Editor. You'll find Registry Editor under the best match. Click on that. Now here, just simply follow me for the path that we are going to navigate. So look for the HK local machine folder, double click. Look for the software folder, double click. Under software, we need to look for the policies. So scroll down. You'll find policies, double click. You'll find Microsoft folder, double click. Scroll down and you'll find Windows folder. Now what you can do is simply make a right click, select new, select key. Now name it. Let me scroll down. Right click, select rename. Type Windows, capital letter U, small p, D-A-T-E. So it's Windows Update. All capital letters for the very first letter of each word. Now once you created a folder, make a right click, select new, select key. Name this as capital letter A, capital letter U. Click on the open space and then make a right click on the AU folder, select new, select the word 32-bit value. So just simply follow me. The value name that we are going to put is capital letter N, small o, capital letter A, small u, T, O, capital letter U, small p, D, A, T, E. It's no O to update, and then click on the open space, double click, change the value data to 1 to disable it, click on OK. And then you have to close the registry editor and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. And after that, you have just disabled the Windows Update automatic permanently on your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.